Hello everyone. Would you like to know the practical tips to prevent surgical site infection? I am there today to share the details of my free webinar on prevention of surgical site infection on 7th July, Sunday at 11 a.m. In this webinar, there will be discussion about OT designing and when the patient comes into the OPD, what instruction needs to be given to the patients in the OPD before the patient gets admitted in the hospital. During his or her admission, what are the important points to be kept in mind, including the use of prophylactic antibiotics. Once the patient is shifted for the surgery and during the surgery, important elements needs to be remembered. We'll discuss about that also. Once the surgery is over and the patient is shifted to the recovery room, another tips in the recovery room will be shared, and from the recovery room, when the patient either shifted to the ICU or the ward, again, what factors need to be remembered? Of course, when the patient will be discharged, what instructions need to be given to the patients, what advice needs to be given, and how the tracking needs to be done by the staff of the hospital. We are going to discuss about these important points. So let us join hands together and register for the webinar. The link for the registration is given in the description of this post. The webinar link will be shared by 10 p.m. 6th July once all the registrations are complete. So looking forward for everyone to join hands. Please register now.